If you're receiving housing benefit, then you should be aware that your local council may reduce or stop your payments if they believe that you've received too much. This is known as an overpayment, and it's important to understand what this means and what you can do about it. If you're in this situation, the first thing you should do is contact your local council to find out why they believe you've been overpaid. The council should send you a letter explaining why they think that this is a case, but if they haven't, don't hesitate to call them and ask. You don't have to agree with their reasons, and you should take the time to consider the information before responding. If you think the council has made a mistake, you may be able to ask them to reduce the amount you have to pay back, or allow you to make smaller payments. It's essential to read the overpayment letter carefully and find out if the council wants you to pay back the overpayment. If they do, you may be able to challenge their decision, particularly if the overpayment wasn't your fault. So, for example, if the council made a mistake when calculating your payments, didn't record your information correctly, or didn't correct a mistake you told them about, you may be able to challenge the overpayment. However, if the overpayment was your fault, you'll usually need to pay the money back. So, for example, if your rent went down, you earned more, your other benefits changed, someone moved into or out of your home, or someone started getting carer's allowance for looking after you. If you need to pay the money back, it's crucial to tell the council if you can't afford to pay anything at all. You'll need to show that paying the money back would leave you without enough money to cover essentials like rent or electricity. If you can afford to pay some money back, you can ask the council if you can make smaller payments over time. This can make the payments easier to manage and reduce the financial burden. If it isn't just a housing benefit overpayment and you found out that other debts have mounted up, you may want to look into debt solutions. Some of them will lower your monthly repayments, while others can even write some of your debt off. It all depends on your unique financial situation and also what you qualify for. Under this video, I've linked to a form on my new website, and it's got a few multiple choice questions like how much money do you owe and how many people do you owe. And then at the end of that form, it'll connect you to a company that I've partnered with to give you all the information that you need about debt solutions available in the UK. So click the link below, go and check it out and let me know how you get on.